Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the briefing for Sunday, August 10th. Just a quick message that the weather radar here at Missoula, KMSX, is finally back up and running. So that data is flowing out there on the web, so you are able to use it. Quickly looking at the weather threat matrix, relatively quiet. We are looking at some warm and drying occurring over Monday into Tuesday, with temperatures being quite hot for this time of year, looking at 10 to 20 degrees above average by Tuesday. We are looking at a little bit of a disturbance on Wednesday, bringing in increased winds, maybe some thunderstorm potential. With southwest Montana, kind of the area that we're kind of watching fairly closely for near critical fire weather conditions. And then slightly cooler conditions, but still dry, and a little bit of thunderstorm activity out there with, again, increased winds across southwest. So quickly looking at maximum temperatures over the next week or so, we are going to see those temperatures steadily rise Monday into Tuesday, with the low valleys of north central Idaho around Orofino, Riggins getting into the triple digits, and then upper 90s for the low valleys of northwest Montana during this time frame. And then, like I said, we got a disturbance coming on Wednesday. It's still going to be warm and dry, but there'll be a kind of a period to knock us back down to more average temperatures during that time frame. Also kind of highlight those low valleys of north central Idaho, could be near heat advisory conditions as temperatures stay in the triple digits, but min-time temperatures are going to be hovering into the upper 60s, low 70s during that time frame. So again, a little bit of an area of concern right there to kind of highlight that. With those hot conditions, anticipate fairly dry across the board, with Wednesday into Thursday kind of being our driest periods. And again, with those dry periods and winds on Wednesday, creating concerning fire weather conditions out there. To kind of highlight that a little bit more, what I have here is a table indicating the relative humidity combined with max wind gusts for several areas across the area. And as you can see, Wednesday is the area that we're kind of highlighting, especially across southwest Montana, where we are looking at min RHs probably being into the teens, with gusts potential up to about the 30-35 miles per hour. But again, it's pretty widespread. Grangeville, Hamilton, actually about every area except for maybe the higher mountain passes are going to be looking at these dry conditions with increased winds. Those winds in combination of low RHs will extend into Thursday, especially for southwest Montana, and then things start kind of slightly improving after that. Not a high probability of any kind of precipitation with that event on Wednesday, but we are still looking at maybe some showers, thunderstorms going across northwest Montana, and then a little bit of thunderstorm activity developing across southwest area. So Wednesday is kind of the best day, and then that kind of showery activity, especially across the southwest, continues Thursday into Friday timeframe. But there are also some disturbances that move across northwest Montana, which could impact, especially around Glacier Park area, the northern parts of the Flathead region. So the 6 to 10 day outlook, right now we are looking at more of a ridge of high pressure being over a good chunk, 2/3 of the United States, and kind of a trough over the Pacific Northwest, kind of leaving us in this quasi near normal temperatures, with some slight potential for shower thunderstorm activity, especially along the Canadian border, like we're seeing, but I can't completely rule out some kind of shower thunderstorm activity across extreme southwest Montana, even though we're depicting it being below average. Even in this scenario, we can get some shower activity. And then that trend continues in the 8 to 14 day. That ridge tries to shift a little bit farther to the west, trying to dry us out a little bit. But again, not a significant warming trend anticipated at this time. The next briefing will be on Thursday, August 14th, but if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you. Goodbye.